It's Arlen and Avery and Mama Tay at Jurassic Quest today. We just met Park Ranger Aaron and Park Ranger LB from Toy Lab TV. Those guys are awesome. We're gonna have an adventure today. Come with us. Head in. Whoa, that's awesome. So cool. All right, what you got? Whoa, just look at that thing. That Triceratops balloon. That thing is awesome. Hey, thank you guys. That was awesome. High five. Oh yeah, that's the plan. All right. Hey, thanks guys. Y'all too. Avery, what do you got? What do we got to open when we get home? We got a Dinosaur Egg Adventure Dig Kit. We're gonna put that in our Jurassic Quest bag. And we got a Dinosaur Mass Extinction Volcano set that we're gonna test out. So sweet, huh? Hey FamVenture TV fans, me and Avery are back at home after Jurassic Quest. We had so much fun, didn't we? Was it awesome? Yeah. Anyway, we had just a really fun time. So now we're gonna dig straight in and open up this volcano kit and open up this Dinosaur Adventure Dig Kit and see what kind of fun we can have. Whoa! Keep going. Oh my goodness! It's covering the dinosaurs.
No, it's not coming in. This. Oh, is there in here?
Go ahead and start shooting vinegar in there. Good one. Whoa, let's do it again. Top, what do you think? We're just gonna do it with a cup. Whoa! That's a humongous eruption. What do you think?
Oh no!
What?
Yes.
Oh no, Triceratops! Got washed away.
Yeah, by the lava. We gotta get him up.
I love that volcano kit.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's open up the Dinosaur Egg Adventure Dig Kit.
Yeah, does it have
We have, looks like a chisel and looks like a brush. Look at this. This thing must have been in the ground for millions of years. You think so? Yeah? Let's dig and check it out.
No, I need a brush.
Let's see what else we can do. Look. looks like what we have uncovered is a baby T-Rex still in the egg.
And now we're gonna break it out.
Yeah? You got some stuff on your nose. We want to encourage you to get out and have an adventure with your family today. It doesn't even have to cost any money. You can just go outside and enjoy the time out there, see what you can find and explore. Or, if it's raining outside, you can even pretend that under your kitchen table is a dark cave and you're surrounded by dinosaurs. And I promise, if you use your imagination, you will have an adventure. Thanks for being with us, friends. If you enjoyed your time with us today, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. The age of the dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were a special group of reptiles that ruled the earth